Hello everybody, how are you doing? Today it's a famous train street, so it's one of the famous attraction in Hanoi. So multiple times during the day a train pass in that very teeny streets. So that train was the track was installed in 1906 by the French, and every day people come here, gather, and look at the train pass very close to the buildings and also very close to the little tables. So you have those vendors that ask you to sit on the table. So enjoy the show. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Hello everybody, I'm at Cafe Hien. It's a famous cafe in Vietnam who create the egg coffee. So the creator of the egg coffee created the coffee in 1945 because the milk was impossible to find in Vietnam. So he created this a coffee with egg yolks and milk, condensed milk and sugar. And this is a famous place. It's packed. And also remember that Vietnam is the second largest country producing coffee in the world after Brasilia. So, and I got also with my coffee a little passion yogurt. And if you look, to keep the coffee warm, they put hot water at the bottom of the cup. So I will turn it a little bit so it's an egg coffee. It should be very good. Alright. Hey guys, just want to show you a little bit the nightlife of Hanoi. So we're on our way to beer streets. So I'll give you a little idea that that city is not boring. They have bars, restaurants. They put the tables in the street. All right, it's all good. No thanks.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. No. Yeah. See the chaos, and it's just 7 o'clock, so you can see a little bit, and we get born. There you go. Woo! It's still empty. It's still empty, but we'll be packed later. I'll show you a little bit. Famous beer street in Hanoi. All right. everywhere.
Hey. Let's go. Get ready for the big night. And it's just a Wednesday night. So here, Tom's Bar. Let's see. Expat here. All right. Almost there. Hanoi. Woo-hoo. All right. And you have all those little streets around also, but I think for tonight, this is it. You saw what is Bear Street.
This is a Pong Pang. So it's a vermicelli soup with egg and chicken. So normally it's served in the morning, but right now it's noon. It was a little bit hard to find, but I was able to find it. And it's amazing. It's a great soup with chicken and eggs, and for $1.80, and I would be pretty full for the afternoon.
Hey everybody, how are you? I was walking in Hanoi and I found that little quiet, beautiful place. It's packed of little boutique for books, readers and stuff like that. It's kind of closed right now, that's why it's quiet, but it's a nice place. Hey, just to remind you, I would appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel. And for those who already did, thank you so much. For the one who not subscribed yet, let's go on YouTube, create your login and subscribe to my channel. Also, second step, you can click the little thumbs up so you can do a like on my videos, so that will help also. And the third thing, a comment would be very appreciated. So send me any comments, any question, anything, and I will reply to you. And also that help all the videos and the subscriber. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Bye.